So many people struggle with maintaining a healthy life or maintaining their body weight or maintaining high energy levels and exercising regularly because they are either black and white, either being on or off a diet or going hardcore with exercise and then ending up skipping the gym for 3 weeks in a row. They go all or nothing, jump on some new bandwagon or try some new quick fix diet. They don't make long-term lasting changes. And with Nutritious Life, what I always try to teach people to do is to look at all the pillars of a nutritious life. Even if your eating is a little off one day or you didn't have access to your favorite kale salad, that's okay. Make sure that you're still drinking all of your water. Don't skip the gym, or if you couldn't get to that workout class that day, go for a long walk instead. It's not all or nothing. It's working on these different pillars of a nutritious life as consistently as possible to the best of your ability each day.